Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government contemplates on increasing VAT on petrol. Petrol can't be cheaper than diesel, says CM. Launches senior citizen helpline number 1090. State all set for Christmas stars, cribs, clothes, Santa and lots of gifts. Watch special report on Christmas. Border militant attack in Sonitpur and Kokrajhar claims over 70 lives. Deceased includes women and children. Union Home Minister assures action. And Prudent Yuvapanthi team comes across VIP vehicles parked in no parking zone. Vehicles belong to MLAs and ministers, all blame their drivers. Now the news in detail. Petrol prices in Goa will rise very soon. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said it's high time that government reviews VAT relief on petrol. Government will review VAT on petrol any time after the Christmas. Parsekar said relief was granted when the petrol prices were very high. Now the review is must as petrol prices have been slashed. Chief Minister stated this while talking to media after the launch of Senior Citizen Helpline number 1090.
वेट देंवयल्लो त्या काळात ज्या वेळार मोठ्या प्रमाणात वाडत असलें पेट्रोल आनी म्हारगाय मोठ्या प्रमाणात जाल्या आनी गोंया पुरते निदान आमच्या नागरिकां खातीर जो पेट्रोलाचो दर 75 आनी 80चेर पावत गेला तो कंट्रोलांत येवचो म्हणून व्हॅट देंवयल्लें. ज्या हेतून तो व्हॅट देंवयल्लो तो हेतू पूर्ण आज साध्य जाल्लो आसा. इट इज हाय टायम नाव की पेट्रोलचो दर थोडेसो व्हॅट 5% लायलो आनी डिझला परस ₹1-2 जास्त आसलो जाल्यार दॅट वूड बी इजिली एक्सेप्टेड टू द पब्लीक.
CM Lakshmikant Parsekar on Wednesday launched Senior Citizen Helpline number 1090. This toll-free helpline number has been started by Goa Police. Any senior citizen can call on this helpline number in any type of legal or medical aid.
If it is related to the crime, criminal or police action, immediately the PCR will be directed to reach on the spot. The beat constable of that area will also reach there, and if the subject is not related to the police department, some other department like health or any other issue, social issue, economic issue, that other department will be contacted by our control room staff.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
State is all set for Christmas celebrations. Stars, cribs, clothes, Santa and lots of gifts. Market has worn a red and white look. People were seen busy rushing for their last minute shopping. Have a look.
Prudent's third edition of Caroling in association with Institute of Meneses Braganza received good response. Meanwhile, the carol singing workshop and star making workshop organized by Ravindra Bhavan together with the Lokmanya Society at Margao concluded on the eve of Christmas. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The traffic sense and discipline begins from state leaders. Prudent's Yuvapanthi team exposed car fleet of ministers and MLAs being parked in a no parking zone. Vehicles found parked right in the heart of the capital city, adjacent to a hall touching the police headquarters. Chief Minister Parsikar literally rushed out of the scene. MLA Michael Lobo, Minister Dilip Parlekar and former MLA Damu Naik, when found themselves in a camera trap, blamed their drivers for breaking the law.
These vehicles are not the ordinary ones. The carcades belong to our public representatives, the MLAs and ministers. The place too isn't a general one. It is no parking zone, adjacent to Minaj's Braganza Hall and the police headquarters right in the heart of the capital city. Prudent's Yuvapanthi team, while shooting their segment on traffic awareness, discovered this. Not an uncommon scene. Yuvapanthi Sachin Sulikar, in his Gandhigiri style, presented flowers to each of the vehicle drivers as a token of awareness towards traffic sense. But drivers refused to accept, so we met their masters. The ministers, the MLAs and others to blame their drivers for breaking the law.
I was a little bit late to my and always driver and driverचे काम करतो. तू जसं तुम्ही काम करता तर हांव माझे काम करता.
He doesn't know that this is no parking area.
Might be.
And he shouldn't have parked over here if it is no parking area.
Only MLA found to be law-abiding was Glenn Ticklow. His vehicle was parked in a parking lot in the vicinity.
I also expect all the MLAs, ministers to, they should follow the rules and regulations.
Chief Minister did not even pay heed to Yuvapanti's initiative after being caught on the wrong foot.
Actually, sir. So the Genalo
Prudent's Yuvapanthi team called police to challan the law-breaking vehicles of MLAs and ministers like they challan any other common citizen. And police had no other option but to discharge their duties to the hilt.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.